The FT10 Foil Fuser from Therm-O-Type offers a simple, fast, affordable, and professional way to apply foil to toner printed designs. Here's how easy it is to set up and use the FT10. First, attach the infi tray to the front of the machine. Now make sure the power switch on the back and the toggle switch on top are both set to off. Lift the impression lever into the off position. Attach the power cord to the back of the FT10 and plug it into your power source. Then turn on the main power switch on the back. As a starting point, set the speed dial to 20% and the temperature dial to 80%, right between medium and high. Allow about 15 minutes for the machine to warm up and for the ready light to turn on. To load your foil roll, loosen the hubs on the foil shaft with a screwdriver and remove it. Pull off one of the hubs and place your foil roll onto the shaft. Your foil needs to have a 1-inch core and be a maximum of 12.5 inches wide. I will link to the compatible foils and foil roll cutters below. Orient the foil roll so the foil pulls from the top and is facing the machine, and place the hub back onto the shaft. Place the shaft back onto the FT10 and make sure the hub blades are engaged with the foil roll and the roll is positioned properly side to side. Now tighten the hubs with a screwdriver, but do not over-tighten them. Next, pull about 15 inches of the foil away from the roll. Use a piece of sturdy cardstock to push the foil through the fuser. Now move to the back of the machine. Loosen and remove the clamping bar. Make sure the foil is underneath the stripper roller at the bottom. Now wind the foil underneath and around the stripper roller, then under and over the blue rewind roller as shown here. Put the clamping bar back in place on the rewinder and twist the assembly toward you until the foil is tight. From the front of the machine, move the toggle switch to forward to begin spinning the foil roll and finish the tightening process. Now lower the impression lever. Allow the foil to track through the machine for a moment, then raise the impression lever again. This should stop the foil roll from rotating. If the foil keeps moving, increase the tension on the opposite side of the lever until it stops. Place your pre-printed paper into the feed table and align your paper guide accordingly to the size and foil location. Now run a test sheet through to test for quality. The compatible foil is a toner heat-reactive foil, so remember that your print must have been printed with a dry toner, not a wax-based ink. You also want to make sure that you are using a smooth paper stock, as textured will not work as well. If the tips of your design are missing foil, or foil is adhering to parts of the page that have no toner, even after wiping it down, then it is too hot. Lower the temperature or increase the speed and test again. If you experience an incomplete foil transfer to solid areas, then it is too cold. Raise the temperature or decrease the speed and test again. Continue small adjustments and tests until you are happy with the result, then run your job. In this video, we are running an 80-pound smooth cardstock. Note that thinner paper will require less heat to foil, while thicker paper, like cardstock, will require more. To remove the waste foil, cut the foil from the back and remove the rewind shaft. Remove the clamping bar from the shaft and slide off the foil. For more information about the FT10 foil fusing machine, visit Binding101.com or call the number on your screen.